Today I explain you on fruit. What is fruit? A fruit may be defined as a fertilized, mature or ripened ovary. Now we know about structure of a typical fruit. A typical fruit consists of two main parts. What are the parts? Pericarp and seed. This is the pericarp and inside the pericarp this is the seed. Pericarp consists of three parts: exocarp, mesocarp, endocarp. Now we know about structure of a typical fruit. First, we already know about this. A typical fruit consists of two parts. First one is pericarp, second one is seed. Now we know about pericarp. This is the diagram of a typical fruit. This diagram consists of, we already know about this, pericarp consists of three parts: exocarp, mesocarp, endocarp. First we know about pericarp. It is the wall of the fruit. It may be thin and dry or may be thick and fleshy. A thick and fleshy pericarp differentiated into three distinct regions. First we know about epicarp. Epicarp is the outermost part, thin region which forms the skin of the fruit. In mango it is green when young and becomes color when ripened. Mesocarp. This is the middle portion. This part is known as mesocarp. Middle region which is the thick, fleshy and juicy. In mango the mesocarp is edible. Next, know about endocarp. Endocarp is the innermost part which is generally hard and woody that covers the seed. So we know about the three parts of pericarp. What are the parts? Epicarp is the outermost region, mesocarp is the middle region, and last part, that is endocarp, that is the innermost region which is hard and woody and which covers the seed. Next, know about seed. A fruit may bear one or more than one seed. We know in mango there is one seed inside the endocarp, one seed present, but in other fruit we also found many seeds also present. Now we know about types of fruit. What according to the basis of their formation, fruits are of three types. What are the types? First, simple fruit, aggregate fruit and multiple fruit. Simple fruit develop from one ovary. Example, mango, apple. An aggregate fruit is a fruit that develops from the merger of several ovaries that were separate in a flower. Means in a flower so many ovaries merge together to form a aggregate fruit. Single flower produces many fruits in cluster. Each tiny fruit is called fruitlet. A bunch of fruitlet is called etario. Example, strawberry, sugar apple, blackberry, raspberry. This is example of aggregate fruit. Next, a multiple fruit. Multiple fruit develops from an inflorescence in which the flowers are crowded together and often fused with one another to form a single structure. Means so many flowers, inflorescence means the arrangement of flower that is known as inflorescence, in which the flowers are crowded together and often fused with one another to form an single structure. Example, jackfruit and pineapple.